In this tutorial, we will look at how to work with styles in Strategy Finder. The styles are buckets, themes that can help to explore the emerging key insights or categories. It is often helpful to group the themes in the same view for exploration. To apply a style to a concept, select a concept, click on the icon with geometric shapes on the top, select Apply Category from the drop-down menu, and then click on the folder icon to the right from the style you would like to apply. So I will select the concept Save on Electricity Bills, and then I will select Strategy as the category that I would like to apply. You can apply You can also right-click on the concept, select Category and choose a style from the list. You can apply a style to several concepts at once. To do that, you need to select several concepts either by drawing a catchment area with your mouse or by pressing Ctrl key on your keyboard and clicking on the selected concepts. Then you follow the same steps as before. Strategy Finder comes with a selection of default styles, but you can change them or create new ones. To do that, you need to select a concept, then press on the icon with geometric shapes and select Create Edit Category. I'm going to select this concept, and I'm going to create a new category. If the concept doesn't belong to a category, it will offer you to create a new category. So here you can change the font, the size, the color, the shade. You can apply different borders or create a shadow. I'm going to change the font's color to a blue. Don't forget to name your style. I will call it Configurations. It's good practice to create a legend on the site. I usually do it by adding concepts with the names of the styles I've created with the respective styles applied to them. I'll add the legend here. If you select a concept with an existing style applied to it, then select Create Edit Category. You'll be offered to edit this category. I'll add borders. Now I want to override the category. As you can see, the changes have been applied to all the categories. If you change your mind, you can reset the categories. If something hasn't worked out, just refresh the page. You can also apply a limited number of styles to links. If you right-click on the gray circle in the middle of an arrow and choose Style, you can highlight the link, make it dashed or dotted. One other way to further customize your map is to add hyperlinks or nodes to your concepts. To do that, right-click on the concept and select Additional Contents from the drop-down menu. For example, I will add a hyperlink, and I'll insert a hyperlink here. When it's added, you'll see a small hyperlink icon underneath the number right here, which can be clicked. And this is how you work with styles in Strategy Finder.